Hi guys, it's Marty here from letsbuildwp.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on BlueHost web hosting and also how to claim your 100% free domain name. Okay, so before we start installing WordPress, I just want to quickly mention that this video is part of a blog post which you can find over at letsbuildwp.com/Bluehost tutorial. So that's letsbuildwp.com/Bluehost tutorial if you want more information to go along with the video, as well as written steps which you can refer back to. Or if you're already on this page, you'll find all of the information underneath. We're now going to be installing WordPress on BlueHost. So the first thing we'll be doing is setting up our account with BlueHost. So you just want to open up your internet browser and go to www.bluehost.com, or alternatively you can just click the link below this video. Either way, once you get here, you just want to hover your mouse over where it says Products in the top menu and then click Shared Hosting. Now from this page, if we just scroll down, we'll see the 3 different hosting plans that BlueHost have to offer. To be honest with you, the Business Pro plan comes with a whole load of added extras that you probably won't require at this time, so that really just leaves it between the basic plan and the Plus plan. Now the only real difference between these 2 plans is that the basic plan allows us to create one single website or blog on one single domain, and then the Plus plan allows us to create 10 different sites on 10 different domains. Now both of the plans come with one free domain name, so if you go for the Plus plan and you're wanting to create more than one site, you will need to purchase each extra domain. One thing that kind of makes up for it though with the Plus plan is that it comes with $150 worth of marketing offers, which are basically coupons that'll save you money when advertising your site. The $150 that's included is more than the total cost of the hosting itself. So it really just depends on how many sites you're going to create, or if you're wanting to take advantage of the marketing offers. But as I'm only installing WordPress for this tutorial, I'm going to go for the basic plan. Once you've decided on which plan you're going to go for, just click underneath where it says Select. Now here's where we're going to register our free domain name that comes with our account. Even if you do have your own domain name, I would recommend registering a new one with your account. You might as well because it's free. So you just want to type whatever you want your new domain name to be into this box, and then using the drop down menu on the right hand side, we can choose which domain extension we would like. By domain extension, I mean if you want it to be yourwebsite.org or yourwebsite.net. For me, I'm happy with the .com, so I'm going to leave it as it is. And for this domain name, I'm going to register martieinstallswp.com. Once you're happy with your domain name, you just want to click Next. Hopefully up at the top it says the domain you've requested is available. Otherwise you are going to need to choose something else. Once we know that the domain we've requested is available, underneath is where we're going to fill out our general account information for our BlueHost account, just things like our name and email address. Then under that, where it says package information, here you just want to double check that your package type is correct. So here you can see it's automatically set it to 36 months. And it's pretty unlikely that you're going to want to order that much at one time. So we can just change how long we'd like to pay for it using this drop down. You can choose between 12 months, 24 months and 36. Just be careful that you stick to your plan in this list, because there's also the Plus plan and the Business Pro plan as well. So I want to go for the basic plan at 12 months, so that's what I'm going to choose here. Underneath we'll see that there's no setup fee, and we get our primary domain registration for free. Under that you'll see a few different hosting add-ons. I normally just uncheck these boxes myself, but you can have a read through them and you can click more information to see more information about each of them. And if you want any of them, you can just check the box beside them and it's going to charge you that much per month. So Whatever one you go for, there's a different price beside each of them. I don't want any of them, so all of the boxes are unchecked. And then underneath, we'll just enter our billing information. Or if you want to pay by PayPal, we can just click here where it says more payment options, and then we can select PayPal. Once we've filled out all of our information, we just need to check the box beside where it says I confirm I have read and agreed to the terms of service, and then click submit. So what I'm going to do is just quickly pause this tutorial video for a second while I fill out my information above. Then I'll restart the video just after I click submit. So if you want to pause this video now while you fill out your information, we can restart the video together. Okay, so that's me now back, and when I clicked the submit button on the last page after filling out my information above, I was redirected to this page that says congratulations up at the top. If you choose PayPal as your payment method, you would have been brought to PayPal first to pay for the order before being brought to this page. Either way, once you get to the page that says congratulations at the top, there are just a few adverts underneath, and if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we can click no thanks, which is going to bring us to this page, and this is where we're going to create a new password for our BlueHost account. So you just need to click the button here where it says create your password, and then in the new tab that opens up, we just need to enter our new password into both of these boxes, check the box to confirm, and then click continue. So I'm just going to type my new password in. Then check the box, and then click continue. Once we create our password, we're going to be brought to the BlueHost control panel, and this is where we're going to install WordPress. So from this page, you just want to scroll down until you see where it says website, and then click install WordPress. Then here, under where it says do it yourself, on the right hand side, you just want to click install. Then you just want to make sure that it's the correct domain name selected in this drop down list, and you want to leave this box blank. Then just click check domain and leave it a few seconds, and it should come up and say last step, you're almost there. Then you just want to check this box where it says show advanced options, and here we can set our admin password for logging into WordPress. We can also change the site name or title here. So this is going to be the title for our actual WordPress installation, so our website or blog title, which can be changed later. And then this is going to be the password that we use for logging into WordPress. This can also be changed again later. So for my site name, I'm just going to type Martie, and then my admin password, I'm just going to type in my new password. Now underneath, you just want to make sure that the box here is checked. Then check the box beside where it says I've read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And then underneath we can just click install now. It's going to come up and say we're setting up WordPress for you, and this is just an advert which we can close. And you'll see up at the top it says your install is underway, and then there's this loading bar which shows how long we've got to wait. It normally only takes a few seconds for WordPress to install. And then when it's done, we'll see here it says your install is complete, and we can just click view credentials on the right hand side. Now if we scroll down to the bottom of this page, on the right hand side under action we can just click view. Now if we scroll down, we'll see we have our URL, so this is our domain name, then our admin URL, so this is for us to log in, then we have our username and our password. So for now, all we need to do is click on the admin URL, which is going to open up the WordPress login screen in a new tab. Then we just need to copy and paste our username and password from this page into the WordPress login screen. Once we do that, we can just click login, and this is us going to be logging into WordPress for the first time. So this is what's known as the WordPress dashboard, and this is what you're going to see when you first log into WordPress. This is where you're going to add any pages or create any posts or basically make any changes to your site. If you click your site title up at the top in this grey bar running along the top, you can see your WordPress install and how it's going to look for anyone that visits this URL. So this is the demo theme that comes with WordPress, and this occasionally changes, but obviously you're going to be changing the theme and adding all of your own content, but this is just what WordPress looks like by default. To get back to the dashboard, we can just click our site title again at the top, and that'll bring us back to the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so we've now installed WordPress on our BlueHost account. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have, please give it a like and feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching my video.